Welcome to this tutorial of MyCareer powered by GradLeaders. My name is Tim Goetz, the Senior Career Development Specialist here at Franklin University. You came to Franklin for career development, and we firmly believe that starts when you apply and goes all the way through your alumni status. You can access MyCareer powered by GradLeaders at www.franklin.edu/my-career. We've used the single sign-on method to get you into MyCareer powered by GradLeaders. So all you need to do to access it is enter your MyFranklin email address and password, but don't forget the @email.franklin.edu. When you first log in, you're going to find there's 3 steps to get you started. One is entering your contact information. The second step is more detailed contact information. And the third step is to upload your resume or to build your resume right in MyCareer. The basic contact information is how we can get a hold of you, your email address, your phone number. Once you filled this out, don't forget to click Save in the bottom right-hand corner. The more detailed information is your major, GPA, total credit hours, things like that. And again, don't forget to hit Save when you're done. You can upload your resume here, but if you don't have one, that's totally okay. We have videos in the Resources tab. Check those out, and you can build your resume from there. Finally, there's the communication preferences, and this is how you'd like us to get in contact with you. Once you filled this out, we only ask it once, go ahead and click Save. When you're done, it takes you back to the front page, and you can click Go to the dashboard on the left-hand side of the page. When you're in the dashboard, you'll find a lot of information. We're going to start on the left-hand side. The first section is your profile. This is steps 1 through 3 that you completed when you first logged in. Next is job search. You can narrow this down to any jobs by major, any employers, or any other criteria that you deem necessary in your job search. Our job searches pull from Franklin exclusive employers and national employers uploaded by GradLeaders. Next is the events tab. Events are things like workshops and other events that we hold through the Career Development Office. You can sign up for those in the events section. Next is career coaching, and this allows you to sign up for one-on-one coaching to lead you through your career search, setting up resumes, working on cover letters, mock interviews, anything like that can be set up through the career coaching tab. Next is companies, and you'll find Franklin's extensive employer connections here, as well as GradLeaders National Database. The activity calendar populates when you sign up for a workshop or an event. You can also add things to this calendar on your own if you want to complete a daily task for your job search. The document library has our extensive grouping of resume and cover letter templates, videos, blogs, and much more. It also houses our Workforce Ready Toolkit, which we're constantly expanding, so be sure to check this tab out frequently. Next, you can report on the employment through the Report Employment section. It allows you to tell us if you're full-time, part-time, seasonal, or if you're looking for a job. The Career Tracker will walk you hand by hand through your career search. You can click that down in the bottom left-hand corner. Next, we're going to look at the middle section of the dashboard. Up at the top, you'll find new jobs that have been posted by Franklin exclusive employers, and at the end, by national employers uploaded by GradLeaders. When we jump down to the bottom of this section, you're going to find lots of things. The scorecard tells you how far you've come in your profile to let you know if you're being noticed by employers or if there's more work that you need to do in order to get it up to where they can see you. Next is the announcements, and we'll populate this as we add things, but the announcements is anything that we want to let you know is coming up or something that has been added to the site. Again, here you can input your employment status to let us know if you're searching or if you found a job. Next is your resume, and this tells you the most recent resume you've updated or if you need to upload a resume. Under the My Events tab, this is things you signed up for or upcoming events that we might be offering through the Career Development Office that you might want to sign up for. And finally, there's the View Additional Career Resources button, which takes you to our extensive library of tutorials and templates to help you navigate your job search. We hope you found this information to be quite appealing And if you need to get a hold of us through the Career Development Office, we are available through email at careerdev@franklin.edu, through the website at franklin.edu/yourcareer, through MyCareer powered by GradLeaders at franklin.edu/my-career. And we're located in the Audi Center for Student Services on main campus.